with your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Well, we were warm again today, in fact, well above average. Normally 79 is where we should be. We hit 86 degrees today in Corpus Christi and started off with 67 degrees. And right now, still sitting in those 80s in many areas. Robstown at 81 right now, and at the coast, 75 at Port Aransas. Very nice start to the evening out there, as we are going to see those temperatures very mild in the 70s through the evening. The winds have come in from the east-southeast today, and they continue at about 10 to 15 miles per hour, bringing in that moisture. And you probably noticed the humidity was a little higher today, and it will be tomorrow and into Thursday as it climbs into that very humid range as dew points come in right around 70 degrees. But there's our front that's going to bring those north winds in, dry us out for the end of the week. The humidity starts to climb again by Sunday, but doesn't last long. That next stronger front arrives Monday, and that'll dry us out again after we get some rain. The winds are going to become gusty too tomorrow and into the first half of the day Thursday, still from the southeast, but there's that north wind by Thursday night and into early Friday. Those winds will be gusty and then dying down as we head into the weekend and shifting around once again. So your forecast for tonight is fairly mild out there. We only drop into the mid to upper 60s inland and coastside in the lower 70s tonight with that light east wind. Some patchy fog is possible in our inland areas tonight. We did have some pockets of dense fog last night, and inland you might see more of that tonight. Tomorrow's forecast, you can see those temperatures climb pretty fast after we start off in those 60s, making it into the lower 80s. Looks like a dry day tomorrow with that southeast breeze picking up to 20 miles an hour. High temperatures reaching again into those low to mid 80s in our inland areas. Coastside staying in the upper 70s to near 80. Well, the weather pattern continues to be on the cold side, especially for our friends to the north. Very cold. In fact, we've got another blast of that chilly air moving southward with this front, with another one behind it by Monday. This is the Arctic air behind this surface cold front. That is going to push south, and by Thursday it moves in. But tomorrow we're still dry. You can see we still have the onshore flow. This is tomorrow. There's the front. And then as we get into Thursday, it's still north of us in the morning, but I think in the evening we'll already see that front pushing through, and that north wind is going to become gusty. We're going to get some rain out of this, some scattered showers and isolated storms Thursday evening and overnight, but it looks like those should push out of here by Friday morning. So Friday may start off a little wet, but it'll be drying out through the day. And good news for those high school football games Friday evening. It's going to be cool, but it does look dry. You can see that as we head into Sunday, then our winds start to shift back to the south, and this next stronger front comes in Monday. It's going to be cold with that as well as rainy, and that rain hanging on through the day Monday as that much colder air moves in. Rainfall potential with our first front. This is for Thursday into Friday morning. You can see a quarter to a half an inch. Looks pretty common in this blue area, with the exception of a few spots that could get over an inch of rain. There's plenty of moisture in the air, so some pockets of heavier rain are possible. So here is your 7-day forecast. It's brought to you by AutoNation. AutoNation will purchase your car even if you don't purchase a vehicle from them. Shop now at the AutoNation lot near you. Warmer days just today or tomorrow and Thursday, and then later in the day showers pick up Thursday and into Thursday night. Those will end into early Friday, but look at the low, 54 by Friday morning into the low 60s Friday. And then the weekend still looks dry. It looks mild with cool nights, but by Monday that next front comes in, and look at that high temperature. Tuesday will stay in the 50s. We'll have more news coming up right after the break. Stay with us.